Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are looking at the arguments brother KWARGS, which is called as keyword arguments. So to recap, if we don't know the number of arguments that the user is going to pass to a program, we use the asterisk or the star ARGS, which stands for arguments, and it creates a tuple. I did not say this in the last video, but if I do print type of ARGS, it's going to be a tuple, and we go over the tuple and we do whatever we want to do. Now this is very simple. We are taking in arguments and we are doing something with that arguments. What happens if you want to do keyword arguments? So this is similar to ARGS. The only difference is instead of single asterisk, we are going to do double asterisk, and let's name this as KWARGS, which is keyword arguments. And what I will do is remove this, create a sample, and in this case we are going to pass in the keywords of the value that we are passing. So let's do name is equal to Vishu, age is equal to 29, and city is equal to Chicago. So if we do this, now this KWARGS, which can be named as anything, it doesn't matter. The main thing is you have to put the double asterisk. So for this, what this does is, because we are sending the keywords with the variable value, it is going to store the keyword. So it is going to store it in a dictionary format. So if I do anything, you will see it as a parameter. It is coming up over here. So anything, and to display or print out a dictionary, we need dot items, print K and V. Now why is this helpful? Because if you don't know if you tell someone pass any information about you, the user can pass this, or the user can pass their name and their color, favorite color, and maybe their favorite food. Now what happens is, we are writing one program that is doing all of this. We don't have to specify the keywords in the parameters. Usually the way it would work is you do name, and name is equal to none, and maybe city is equal to none. If you do this, it's going to give an error. Let's remove this. And this is going to give an error because it got an unexpected argument age. If I do age is equal to none, this is going to run, but then the second time it is not going to take the color or food. So that is why this star KWARGS or star anything works, is because it stores it in a key value format in a dictionary. You can also do for K in anything, print K to print its key, and you will see it over here that it's name, color and food, and name, age and city. So that makes it clear. The only thing you have to remember is, when you're specifying the variable that you're passing in, you use the keyword arguments, which is double asterisk. If you are just putting in numbers or just variables in there, it's a simple argument. So at that time there's a single asterisk. But for anything else where you need a key value pair, you put in double asterisk. So that is it for this video guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.